Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. So guys, it is, I think it's like a few minutes to 7, like 6:45. It is a beautiful day in Ohio. It is beautiful. Just listen. Having some red raspberry tea. It's an amazing thing. Do y'all hear that? It's a beautiful day. Y'all, it's a beautiful day too. One of my children, today is their Earth Day. They have been on this earth for a couple of decades. Today is their birthday. Happy birthday, son. One of y'all was asking me how many, somebody in the comments, I don't know how many videos back, someone was asking how many children do I have. I thought I had already told y'all, but I have 3 sons and 1 queen. And yeah, today is my second oldest birthday. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying to do this Vlogtober. I think I said yesterday in the video, I said Vlogmas, but I think Vlogmas is the December or something. But yeah, this is Vlogtober for the autumn, fall season. Yeah, for that season. So beautiful out here, y'all. So beautiful. So today is supposed to rain, but it's not supposed to rain until 3 o'clock, and I think it's like 40% precipitation, and from here on out I think it's like 20% and 17% and 14%, 17%, and 20%, and then at 3 it's going to be 40%, so we'll get more rain. But anyway, I thought I'd come on this morning, chat with you guys for a little while. I'm just going to put bits and pieces together, y'all, of my day, and that's going to be it. I'm not going to be doing no lavish videos. It's just not realistic. Not when you got to go to work and do stuff that I can't bring the camera for, but whatever I can bring the camera for, I will. So yeah, guys, be good to yourself, okay? Love yourself. Ouch. Self-care on yourself. Love others. Be great to others. And always be grateful. Always be humble. Always be thankful. This right here is amazing to me. God is a God of abundance. It's just, how in the world it is going to be 70, I think it's almost 80 degrees today. It's October the 4th. Seriously? God is a good guy. Like I promised, I will show y'all what I see. I'm going to show you guys the leaves changing. Look at that. Let me zoom in a little bit. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So amazing. God is a God of abundance. Y'all better get into it. Alright, y'all, but I'm going to go inside. I have to put my dishes away, and then I have to start getting ready for my day. So I will see you guys later on the flip side. Okay? So I put myself together. I'll show you a outfit of the day shortly, but I got my hat on today and did my, y'all know how I wear my twists like these, but I wanted to wear my hat today. And then too, I don't want to keep wearing my hair up. I like wearing it up in a little knot, top knot. I do like that because it's easy and simple. This is easy and simple too, but it will make it'll make your edges like bald if you keep doing that. So, and then I like my hair to kind of like breathe, but yeah. So guys, today is a great day. I think I said that already, but anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hang with the Vlogtober like that. I think I might do some lives, some real lives too, so that way I can actually do it, if that works. So let me know in the comments, would y'all want some lives? But in the meantime, like I said, she's pretty much done. I need to make my smoothie, and I need to throw my earrings on. So yeah, that's about it. So y'all hold the line, okay? All right, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna wear these earrings today. Y'all let me know in the comments, do y'all want me to do a video of what's in my closet? Huh? What's in the closet there? I could do like, just basically I can show y'all everything, like shoes, what's my style, and stuff like that. Let me know. Yeah. And I was thinking too, I want me some more, I need me some orange lipstick, like burnt orange, a pretty burnt orange, but I hope I can find it like Burt's Bees. And then what else would I want? Oh, I want me some organic vegan mascara. That's what I would like to have in the near future. I'm gonna buy for myself. Let me show y'all something real quick. I'm so mad. Do y'all remember this bracelet that I bought from like the boutique, a fashion boutique on like a strip? I paid $30 for this sterling silver bracelet. And I went to go bend it the other day. Look at that. It just broke right in half. So I was upset, but I'm just thinking like, these are just things, Sonia. Get over it. You'll find something else. So I'm debating. I can take it to a shop because if you guys remember, I have my Mark. I don't know what this is, but anyway, I have this watch that needs my wine thing came off. And I really like this watch, so I'll probably take it to the guy who fixed it before when I first got it. Let's see, so yeah. Let me show y'all outfit of the day real quick. Okay, outfit of the day. Outfit of the day, guys. She just has on her cardigan, some mules. I mean, not mules, but my brown boots with the zipper. I have on some Levi's and a tan tank top. Very simple, very chic. But let me show y'all my foot. I'm so mad. Those leopard shoes that I was wearing yesterday, y'all, I walked in those yesterday and I shouldn't have did it. But look at this. People don't like showing their feet, but I don't care. I think I have nice feet. Y'all see this bubble? I got a blister right here. A big fat bubble. I'm so angry. But in the meantime, she's just going to take care of it. But hope that didn't gross nobody out. But in the meantime, she's going to make her smoothie. And then we have to head out the door. I'm back. Wanted to give you some fall vibes. So I'm gonna make this really quick. So today, guys, I think this is let me cover up my address. I think this is my license for something. Someone said you shouldn't say anything about that, or you shouldn't tell the people, but y'all, she does what she wants, okay? It's not gonna hurt nobody. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is, y'all. She got her license. She got her license. Yay. Finally they came. Y'all, this is go back and watch the video. I think it was in March when Mark pranked the deck, where I was off to go take care of something. I've got my license for it. I'm super excited. So guys, this is for anybody who's trying to carry a weapon or whatever. I'm just advising. I'm not a teacher or instructor or anything. I'm just trying to let you know, if you're going to do something like that, please make sure you do things properly, okay? Meaning, get everything that comes with it. Don't just be out here illegally doing stuff. And it does not mean to go get anything either. So I'm a firm believer, and I always never thought in my mind that I would do something like that. But I had no choice because there are certain things I do. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. She received it. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, I just did everything I had to do. Follow the guidelines and follow the law. So if you're gonna do that, you have to follow the law, guys. So that's all I wanted to say. And guess what, y'all? I got some items here, and I don't want to hear nobody say, "Oh, you ordered something. You said you weren't gonna shop no more." These things were ordered before I came up with the shopping thing that I wasn't gonna shop anymore. I'll be buying things I don't need to put in this house. So I will show you guys this video tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the view. See you in the next one. Bye.